Hey everyone, just here at Mad Hatter, and we finished up our stuffed animal toy drive for Santa Claus, for him to go out and distribute it to kids that need it in the community, at hospitals, with the fire department, and also the police officers. We have raised over 100 toys this time around, and hopefully it'll be more next year.
I appreciate all that Mad Hatter's done for the community, the stuffed animal drive. I made some friends, my reindeer, my elf, and the gingerbread man, and of course, Corey, Zach, and Lynn. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you.